Hi my dear kids, today I brought you another beautiful handwork. Today we are going to make rain, okay? Right, now first teacher is going to make the rainy cloud. Right, so to make the cloud I'm using some cotton wool. Right, you have to take a small piece from that and make a beautiful bowl like this, small ball, right? And then put some glue here and then paste it, right? So likewise you can complete the entire cloud. Okay kids, now this is teacher's cloud, but children, we have to make it black color because when it is raining clouds become black color. Now to make it black I am using a toothbrush and some black paint. Okay, so put the toothbrush here, dip it in the black paint like this, right? Take your finger, keep it like this and sprinkle. Now kids, this is our rainy cloud and I'm going to cut it. Now for the next step, you will need a straw like this, okay? And also you will have to turn your rainy cloud upside down. Next, put a blue color paint drop like this way. And take the straw and blow. Now once you finish, you can paste some more colorful buttons like this blue and white to make it more beautiful. Okay kids, now this is our rain handwork. So I would like to see a beautiful photograph from all of you, right? And to enjoy this handwork. Goodbye kids.